out how to track down that garbage truck and find Brill Cream. Go pick up the analog hacker I sent your way.
A letter? For me?
Want to uncover the truth behind Overcharge? The real truth? Wait for my call at the dog park.
Ooh, sounds intriguing. Better head to the dog park. Is that a phone booth or a public toilet? Or both? Hello?
Were you followed?
I don't think so.
Listen close. We're gonna blow the lid off this whole conspiracy. Fisco was supposed to burn all the top secret memos, but one of their admins dropped some into recycling bins instead. Those bins are now inside recycling trucks parked around the city. Get the memos and bring them to the dead drop location.
This is some serious spy movie action. This would be way better with some spy movie music. Now that's more like it.
Unauthorized access. Alarm engaged. Recycling truck in lockdown mode. Recycling truck now open. Those guys didn't protect me. I belong to you now. Unauthorized access. Again, you don't learn very well, do you?
Stop talking! I'll stop shooting!
Recycling truck now open. recycling waste for you.
Okay, now I gotta take these to the dead drop. I just love saying that. Ooh, another letter.
Drop the memos off in the dumpster. I'll process them and set up another meeting. We're gonna make Fizco pay for what they did to us.
Okay, hope Mr. Mysterious knows what he's doing.
Kim and I worked through the night on this. It's pretty brilliant if you ask me.
Oh, right. So anyway, we need you to get to a satellite dish nearby. We'll explain on the way. The satellite dishes are the best tool to help us find Brill Cream.
Right. You see, by using the dishes, we can triangulate his last known position.
You know, our troop has a monthly T hunt, which stands for Transmitter Hunt, where someone sets up a transmitter in the forest. Then we all walk around with parabolic receivers.
And you plot the position of the transmitter by triangulating two vectors to the source.
Yeah, it's It's really fun. We only get a compass and a paper map.
Guys! Stop before one of you has a nerdgasm. I'll use the dish to find the missing dude. You can't expect me to listen to your public radio show about it.
How the hell am I gonna get over there? Nice!
Okay, hack that satellite dish. We need to find Brill Cream's signal. Okay, you're patched in. Let's test it out.
I could've
Aim the
sworn I
dish
tried-
at the museum.
These are dangerous times, and dangerous times call for...
Nope, not there.
These are dangerous times, and dangerous times call for us to become men. Do you understand?
We should just give up on Brill Cream? Isn't our motto to not give up through rain, snow, or sleet?
You don't need him anymore. You have me.
Son of a beeswax! I will twist off his tiny little...
Okay, sounds like it's working. Aim around and listen for the truck's beeping transmission. The needle will top out with a clear audio signal.
Hey, I got weapons for sale here.
Give me your guns.
You can't hold up a guy who sells guns without a gun.
Can you loan me a gun?
Yeah, sure thing, pal. Weapons for sale. I got weapons for sale here.
That's not him.
Please, God, if you can hear me right now, please bring me some cheese sauce. The kind with the little jalapenos in it.
Nope, not there. Hold on. Oh, that sounds right.
Mississippi. 14,100,013 Mississippi.
That's him.
Yes! I'm recording the vector of your dish. Visco, backtraced our hack. Watch out!
With that jammer active, we'll never be able to triangulate Brill Cream's position with a second satellite dish. You have to destroy that jammer.
So for Kim, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Okay. Well,
No.
Oh, Sam, you are smooth. So smooth. Execute.
agents incoming!
Visco, incoming! Stop shooting me!
Okay, we've got one angle, but we need to narrow it down. Head to the other dish marked on your map.
Why don't I just follow the...
That's not how triangulation works.
Better listen to her. She can be
What?
right all the time.
He's getting worse, my lord.
We need a hero, a champion.
I'm sure that's not foreshadowing or anything. Dun dun dun!
I'm telling you, that guy cooking all them crazy drinks, it's him. But that punk's been jumping around killing us for ages. Just a hired goon. That Floyd guy, he's the hero of this game. Well, each man creates a universe in which he is the center. Nah, reality is an objective state. Subjectivism is hubris. Nope, not there.
Troop Master Bill Cream, are you out there?
That's not him.
Hey, look at them fish.
So?
We've been eating garbage for weeks. Why don't we eat them fish?
You crazy? I bet they're poisonous.
What?
Yeah, them's fugu. Gotta be a max-level sushi chef to cut 'em right.
That's a catfish with a paint job. Nope, not there. I don't know how you lasted so long, but your time's up. As soon as that numbnuts lets us into the museum, we're taking over.
Do what you want with me, but leave my troop alone. They're good kids.
I got the second vector. Uploading the coordinates to your phone.
Go! Go! Go!
Okay, chill. Shit! The punk is here! Start the crusher!
Let's talk this over, son. You don't have to. Ah! Ah! You're crushing my neckerchief! Ha! Ease up on the recycling! Someone shut this thing off!
Hey, Brill Cream! I'm here to save you!
That is very kind of you. But I'm waiting for my troop to save me. I think it would be a good team-building experience.
Listen, you mental patient, 4Kim sent me to get you out.
Well, 4Kim has always been a great troop member. Still, I think I'll wait. Okay, I'm ready to be saved now.
Oh, shit. Hold on, I'll find something to put out the fire.
Anything liquid, hurry!
Hey, who wants some of this? Damn it. Need more juice. Don't look at the fire. Just play dead and it'll
Go away!
That's not how fire works!
Well, how would I know? I've never been burned alive before. Shit, I need another keg. That overcharge is drawing...
You're not using overcharge to fight the fire, are you?
Sorry, can't hear you. Fire's going out. Hold on. Hey, mutants! Get off of there! God damn it!
Hey, what's happening? Oh, fudge. They're on the truck, aren't they? Get them off the truck!
Maybe I can pull him.
The truck is moving!
I'm coming! Hold on! Oh no! No, 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 no! Please don't be dead. Please don't be dead. If you're still alive, just lie still and don't say anything. Okay, good. I'm gonna assume you survived that deadly accident.
Fine work. Worthy of a fine survivalist. Perhaps you would like to join my troop.
I'm not wearing a sash.
Well, your skills are top-notch. I would like you to escort me to my troop.
Sure.
Back to the troop headquarters, quickly! Those creatures are coming this way.
How long were you trapped in there?
16 days, 20 hours, 8 minutes.
It's kind of amazing that you're still alive.
I'm a survivalist. Do what it takes. How did you find me?
It's kind of my thing. When people are in trouble, I grind over with some guns and kill all the troubles away.
Do you have a spare weapon? I will help you fight. Norton!
True Master Brillcream? How did you... We've been looking everywhere for you, sir.
Why did you have to look for me when you already knew where I was? What are you doing? Open this door! Norton! It is time for you to face the consequences of your actions.
I'll drink it!
Don't be a coward. Take your punishment like a man. Norton! No! Run, troops! Run!
better take that thing down before it eats the rest of the program. If I grind on his back, I can stab him in the head.
I'm not an animal. I'm not a merman. I'm not a cannibal. Darling, my old man.
Shoot the spikes on his back! Shoot those balls of fire before they hit you!
Getting hit by fireballs is not the right strategy. Maybe I should shoot them.
I'm not a merman. Darling, my old man.
He grew more spikes!
Of course he got more spikes. Guess I'll just have to shoot him off again.
You're almost there! One more hit should do it!
Troop Master Brooklyn! Oh.
For Kim, I want to thank you for your loyalty and persistence. Your character and actions are worthy of commendation.
Thank you, sir.
As for your friend,
You can keep your commendation. I just want you to tell me how to get out of this city.
that is a difficult proposition. Fizco has blocked all exit routes. I'm afraid there is no escape.
Seriously? Fuck!
Unless... I need a pencil. Paper! Done! Bring these plans to my friend Ignatius, head of the Shipbuilders Union. You should find him near the harbor.
This guy's gonna build a ship?
Better than that. He's gonna give you a way out of the city.
Hey, so one thing you should know about this guy, Ignatius, he's a hardcore LARPer.
The hell is a LARPer?
Live-action role player?
You mean those dorks with foam swords who go out into the woods and yell lightning bolt at each other?
It's fantasy fulfillment, and it's a lot cooler than that, but, yes.
Okay, so he's a LARPer. Why do I care?
Well, I heard that he was in the park with a bunch of other LARPers on Horror Night. When they got attacked by OD, they all kind of got psychologically broken.
Don't you mean more psychologically broken?
Just be careful.
Come on, they're LARPers. They're gonna shoot me with a foam arrow?
Oh, did I ever tell you the story once?
Hey, it's Floyd. You probably knew that. I made a new base for us in the harbor. Perfect place to cook up some new amps. It's amazingly amazing.
When this is over, I'm gonna buy you a thesaurus.
I have crazy low prices because I'm crazy. Ha!
Who doesn't love dragons? These fireworks stick to your enemies and set them on fire! Then they explode! Boom! Go boom! Launch sticky mines that wait for enemies to get close before exploding. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Fight against disco bots with their own weapons! Nobody needs hairspray in the apocalypse, unless it's for a bomb! This bundle of cans will cause massive damage to anything in its radius!
That gun is reliable, creative, and works very hard for you, like me.
Oh, chérie, I... My mother taught me that if I have nothing good to say, I should say nothing. Ahem.
Now that Brocream's back, I would be grateful for your help. I need to track someone down. It's for the benefit of the troop. Her name is Kim, and if we find her, she can upgrade the museum's perimeter defense system. We must be discreet about this. Meet me at the apartment complex nearby. I'll be waiting on the street. And don't tell anyone else in the troop. I'll explain later. Let's go! So, we're here to find my old friend Kim. You can call her just Kim. See, I have 4 Kims in my name, but she has only one. Whatever. Let's just find her. I know she's in this complex somewhere. She sent me a video of a trap she was making, but I didn't respond. Now she's gone silent. Watch out! OD!
OD incoming! Look out! Now that Broken's back, things will finally get back to normal. Well, normal for a post-apocalyptic Thanks. Glad you're here. The lobby's up ahead. Come on. Lobby door should be around here somewhere. Uh-oh. Scabs live here.
Hey, Fort Kim, door's right here.
Now that Brokrim's back, things will finally get okay. I'll search inside. Why don't you cover the rooftop? Check any doors that look suspicious.
Hey, Fort Kim, now might be a good time to explain why this is a secret mission.
Just Kim is an old friend of mine. We used to be troop buddies, but she got kicked out. She's kind of a pyromaniac. This one time she was using bottle rockets and marshmallows and, well, let's just say she set fire to a few kids. Brokrim was furious. He's a stickler for safety and all that, so she was banned. But she's really good at making awesome traps. We could really use her expertise. Just keep checking doors. I'm sure we'll find her around here somewhere.
Look, I'm friends with Fort Kim. We need your help.
Cool story, Scab. Hope you like fireworks.
Hey, Fort Kim! Your pyro friend is on the roof. She's pissed!
I'm coming as fast as I can. Can you handle those turrets?
Can I handle turrets? Badly.
Can't believe she attacked you. Let me talk to her. Just Kim! It's Fort Kim! Stop trying to kill us! Fort Kim? What are you doing here? OMG. It's you! You have a base at the Hepcat Diner, right? OMG! I've been watching you at night. You're amazing!
I know. We could really use some of your turrets.
For your base? Or Fort Kim's uppity troop? Come on, does it matter? Whatever. Okay, I'll give you my turret plans. Thank you. If you show me you can handle them, you will kill 1 million OD right here on this roof. I'll lure them in from the east side of the complex, but I can't guarantee they won't come from other directions too. Play some turrets and let's get going. 1 million OD? I don't want to be here all day. Okay, fine. 1,000. 100. Then you give us the plans and we move on. 125, my final offer. But you can't use any guns. Now that Brooklyn's back, things will find. I said no guns, but you can still bash their brains in. Okay, ready to impress me with those turrets? Don't let them drink all the overcharge, or I'll make you start over. just a little one. But when it triggers the emergency system, we'll get more power for turrets. Ha! Go ahead, play some more turrets. Wow, what an amazing show. Okay, the turret plans are yours.
Cool, thanks.
If you give me your phone number, you know, for trap tips and stuff.
Okay, just promise not to call me when I'm busy, which is pretty much all the time.
OMG, OMG, best day ever!
Hey, it's Floyd. You probably knew that. I made a new base for us in the harbor. Perfect place to cook up some new amps. It's amazingly amazing.
When this is over, I'm gonna buy you a thesaurus.
Hey, it's Floyd. You probably knew that. I made a new base for us in the harbor. Perfect place to cook up some new amps. It's amazingly amazing.
When this is over, I'm gonna buy you a thesaurus. for Ignatius?
Interloper!
Whoa, what's an interloper? Somebody call off roid rage!
Come forth, burglar, and face my justice!
I call a truce! Or timeout or whatever!
Do you wish to swear fealty to the king?
Yeah, fealty. Let's do it.
Proceed to the altar. On bended knee. Do you swear by the old gods and the new to serve King Ignatius?
Wait, that's Ignatius?
Do you swear fealty?
Yeah, by all the gods and trees and wizards and stuff. Is my quinceañera over now?
You may rise.
I'm not a doctor, but does the king need a coroner?
Alas, our king has fallen ill. I pray you can liberate him from the spirits that afflict him.
I sense some epic missions in my future.
My name is Wendy, and I'm the only one around here who's not living in a 12th century fantasy. So listen, Ignatius is sick, for real. He needs 21st century food and medicine.
Got it. Real food and medicine and maybe a shrink dressed as a cleric or something?
Seriously, he needs your help. I'm worried for him.
Pray pardon, good knight. Wicked Fizco warlocks hath tainted Fargathia. Metallic golems have placed a hidden evil around our kingdom.
I get the metallic golems part. Now, what's this about a hidden evil?
They are abominable, pulsing crimson watchers. I beseech ye, destroy them! Look there! The eye controlleth thine metal hand! Such foul sorcery! Our arrows cannot penetrate yon magic shield. Perchance a pointed stick would suffice.
New fashions just came in.
atop the Forsaken Lighthouse. It has the entirety of Forgarthia in its sinister gaze.
There's got to be another way up there.
Success! A legend for the ages! Thine reward is certainly in order. The Royal Scouts
I could really use a harpoon right now. Hey, look! A harpoon!